Hi guys, I'm Mr. Mike. Another one-take flip video just for you. Once again, Express Publishing, right on 4, Module 3. Let's have a look at wishes. Wishes is used to express something that you wish would happen in the present, in the past, that could be different. There's only basically about 4 types. Remember, wishes is not I wish you a happy birthday, which is indicative of actually feeling that you wish for a happy birthday. Wishes structures are used to show that something is probable or not probable. So a lot of I wish I were you, maybe using the were in the past simple, in the past perfect will be used here. So just a quick note here, if only is exactly the same as wish, but it's more emphatic or more dramatic. So if only I were you and I weren't Maritina, it would have been cool. So I wish I were you. Anyway, don't know if the example is quite good. So let's move on. Okay, look at this guy. I wish I had a faster internet connection. You know, you can see it on his face, his expression. He really wishes he had a faster internet connection in the present, and it uses past simple. It's used to say that we would like something to be different in the present. What are these people here? I wish I could cook as well as you do, Mike. Wow, Mike looks like a pretty good cook there. I wish I could cook as well as you do is used to express regret about a lack of ability in the present. You know, I wish I could find more time to exercise, but, you know, a lack of ability, something that I can't do at the moment in the present. Okay, I wish I had installed a good antivirus program. My computer wouldn't have crashed. So I think she uses wishes here, had installed, using the past perfect to express regrets about something which happened or didn't happen in the past. Well, I think her computer has crashed. So if only she had installed the good antivirus program, she wouldn't be like that now. And last one, let's have a look. I wish my brother would stop playing video games for hours every day. So I wish with the subject, my brother, would stop playing video games is used to express a polite imperative or a desire for something to change. A polite statement which is true, or show a desire for something to be different. I would say I wish my brother would stop playing video games for hours every day, but he doesn't, and she has a desire for this to change. So anyway, we can see it from here, can't we? Once again, go into the grammar reference, read the 4 different types of usage of wishes and the forms, make a few notes, come into class. You know the drill. The drill is cool and it's ready for you to succeed. So, once again, I'm Mr. Mike and I'll see you in class.